Hey everybody, hey, it's Lee Godbold over here at Junk Removal Authority, where we help junk removal business owners make more money and live a better life. The Junk Removal Digital Marketing Bundle Package is the premier marketing package in the junk removal industry. If you guys want to have Google Ads management, SEO, and an amazing website that's proven to convert, that gives off a professional image, you got to have our JRA Digital Marketing Bundle Package. Contact us today to find out if there's availability in your area for that marketing bundle package. If you want great Google Ads that you don't waste money on bad keywords, you spend it on the right keywords, you're in the right position that's going to give you the most bang for your buck and allow you to gain market share, then the JRA Marketing Bundle is what you want. Search engine optimization, if you want to get to the point where you rank well organically, you're not having to pay per click to Google, then long-term SEO is about the greatest investment you can make. Nobody has run more successful Google Ads campaigns or ranked junk removal companies better organically than JRA. Find out if there's availability in your area, and it's the second time I've said it, but go to junkrA.com and reach out and contact us. All right, let's get into the meat of this particular video. I want to talk about minimum pickups. One of the things that we encounter every so often is we come across a junk removal business and we're looking at their pricing and they've got like a $250 or $189 minimum load price. And we look at it and we're like, what's going on here? And they're like, well, you know, it costs us $90 just to get on site. It might be $100 now, depending on how far it is. You know, just to get on site, we need to charge more because we actually have to make some money. You know, we're in this to make some money. And we're like, yeah, well, you know, that makes sense, but you're being very short-sighted here. And they'll say, well, what do you mean? The minimum load job is a great job to get, even though you don't make a whole lot of money on it. The reason for that is it's great filler work. So let's say you have two full load jobs for the day. One's at an 8 to 10 slot, one's at a 3 to 5. Well, you got all this gap in between. What are you going to do? Are you going to have your team members just go home? Well, that's not very good for morale. It's very inefficient for them. Now you're making them pay money to go home and then come back later. You're doubling up on their drive time. You're also taking your trucks off the road. Your trucks are amazing billboards. When they're driving around, you're going to be getting jobs from seeing those trucks drive around. So you got this big gap in your schedule. It doesn't work out well for anybody. It doesn't work out for you. It doesn't work out for your team members. It doesn't work out with the potential customers that are never going to find out about you because they didn't see your trucks driving around. Minimum jobs make for great filler work. No, you don't make any money on them. Sometimes you might even lose money on them. But what it is it's amazing filler work. Otherwise, you'd have been paying your team to do nothing, or you're lowering their morale. There's an expense to that. So do these minimum load jobs for that reason. The other reason, and perhaps even more important, a minimum load today could be a large clean out job tomorrow. So it is amazing the number of times we have done a job for a customer at a $99 minimum load that all of a sudden 6 months later their parents pass away and we go and we clear out their parents' home to the tune of 8 to 10 to 12 to 25 truckloads. So you're talking thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars because we did that minimum load. But let's say, hey, you know what? I want to make sure I make my $90 on that particular job. So I'm going to charge $189 because I don't make money at 90. Well, that customer is going to be like, I'm not going to pay you $190 or $189 to come remove this dining room table that's sitting in my garage. It's going to take you 5 minutes to load. They're just not going to do it. You know what they are going to do? They're going to go and they're going to find Big Blue. They're going to find College Hunks. They're going to find your local competitors and they're going to call them up and they're going to book that job. You know what's going to happen? Is that local competitor or one of those big franchises, they're going to come out and they're going to remove that item. And then 6 months later, they're going to get that $10,000 job. But hey, you know what? You didn't lose a little money on that minimum load and you made your $90 somewhere there on another minimum. So hey, you know, you made out. You know, you missed out on a $10,000 job, but you know, you're making money on every single job that you potentially do. It doesn't make sense, guys. Come on, let's think about this. Let's think long term. Quit thinking small, quit thinking short term. Think about all the opportunities you have to get in front of a customer, all the opportunities you have to do work for somebody and prove how good you are, because all you got to do is get started and then the 3 R's kick in. You get the repeat business, you get the online reviews, you get the referral work. And that's how you build an amazing long-term business. That's how you're gonna be in the junk removal business for a long time and not just a flash in the pan. Remember, if you wanna build a long-term junk removal business, the Jerry Business Package is where you need to get started. With that business package, you're gonna learn all of the mistakes that we made over myself and Sam Schicks and Christian's over 40 years of junk removal experience we've got at this point. If you take the three of us and you combine that, millions and millions and millions of dollars of revenue, millions of dollars actually missed based on mistakes we've made that we're gonna train you up on. You also get a very refined brand. We're gonna look into your company and we're gonna help you pick a name. We're gonna help you create your image. Every single part of your image, we're gonna help you work on and put together. We get you that great information. We're there for you long term. We got a great contact center, great digital marketing services as well on top of that. So business package will get you started. We've got the services to keep you going and to help you set yourself apart from all the competitors that are gonna be in your market. So check us out at junkrA.com for more information on any of our services in that Jerry Business Package. And guys, do minimum loads. I'm Lee Godbold with Junk Removal Authority, where we help junk removal business owners make more money and live a better life.